In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy hours on Scribe. If you're looking to transcribe or subtitle more content and need to increase your available hours on the platform, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can continue creating and working without a hitch. First, you'll want to start on your Scribe dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll notice your dashboard has several options available. Focus your attention on the section labeled Credits. This is where you'll manage and add more time to your account. Click on the Credits option, and then you'll see an option that says Top Up Credits. This is the crucial first step in ensuring you have enough resources to handle your transcription and subtitling needs. Now, once you've clicked on Top Up Credits, you'll be taken to a new page where you have a few choices to make. You'll see a slider or a similar feature that allows you to select the number of hours you'd like to purchase. Move this slider until it aligns with the amount of time you need. The visual interface is user-friendly, allowing you to clearly see how your selection will impact your account balance and efficiency. When you are satisfied with the number of hours you've chosen to add, it's time to proceed to payment. There's an option labeled Continue to Payment, which you'll want to click next. This will guide you seamlessly to the payment screen. On this page, you'll be able to input your payment details. Ensure that your payment information is up to date and accurate to avoid any delays. Scribe usually accepts various payment methods, including credit cards and possibly other e-payment options, so choose what works best for you. After entering your payment information and ensuring everything is correct, you'll want to confirm your purchase. Double-check the number of hours you've selected, and keep an eye on your submitted payment details. It's always a good practice to review this information once more to prevent any potential errors or misunderstandings. Once everything looks good, go ahead and finalize your purchase. Upon completion, your new hours should reflect in your Scribe account promptly. This increase in hours will allow you more flexibility and capacity for translation or transcription tasks, making sure your workflow remains uninterrupted. And there you have it. You've successfully added more hours to your Scribe account. It's a straightforward process, yet essential for maintaining the momentum of your projects. Keep this guide handy for any future time purchases you might need. Thank you for following along, and happy transcribing.